White hair recovers its dark color naturally, without the need for chemicals or dyes, in addition to stimulating rapid growth. This advice is completely natural and easy to follow. Let's start by using a tomato. I will cut it into small pieces to facilitate the process. Tomatoes are ideal for promoting hair growth and strengthening, as they are rich in essential vitamins for this purpose, in addition to acting as powerful antioxidants. One of the main benefits that tomatoes provide to hair is the reduction of hair loss. By applying it to the hair or even to the scalp, it acts directly on the loss of strands. Then, I will proceed to liquefy or process the pieces of tomato until I get a homogeneous mixture. You will only need 2 ingredients to prepare this recipe, and if you follow the instructions properly, you will notice the results in a few days. Then, we remove the tomato and use only the liquid obtained through a sieve. At this point, I would like to share a piece of advice that I have learned and that I have shared with all the people close to me who have started to experience surprising results with this method. The second component of this advice is soluble coffee, for which we will use 2 tablespoons. You can choose the brand you prefer. With a spoon, we mix well until the coffee dissolves completely. Once this is achieved, we add our last ingredient. The element that will enhance the action of the 2 previous ingredients is the castor oil. We add a small amount of this oil. Oh, before I forget, could you tell me which city are you watching us from? In this way, I can send you a cordial greeting. Today, the greeting goes to Marta del Orbe from the United States. I am glad that you are taking advantage of our advice. Coffee is a natural stimulant that contributes to the pigmentation of the eyebrows and also to hair growth. We mix all the components well. I am sure that if you share this advice with a relative who is dealing with hair loss and premature aging, he will thank you, since the positive effects of this advice are remarkable. By applying this mixture at least 3 times a week, in a short time you will begin to appreciate the desired results. Please, tell me later if you have managed to get the expected results following these steps. The application of the product must be directly on the root of the hair, and after a few minutes, simply rinse with plenty of water. Finally, if you made it this far, leave me the phrase below dark hair, so I will know that you saw the whole video.